Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GQ token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, GQ is a community-driven meme token on BNB chain that leverages Chinese internet culture and an innovative auto burn mechanism to incentivize trading activity and token scarcity. GQ exemplifies meme-driven crypto where culture response and tokenomics incentives replace traditional utility. Can its community sustain model maintain relevance beyond short-term speculative cycle? GQ token total supply is 627.39 million and circulating supply is also 627.39 million GQ token. CUQ token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% up. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.